Start.
Meeting Father by Michael Klimes. Winter submerges Prague in layers of snow, and I think of Father walk here 50 years ago. Down this very road, my head turns to look into a shop window. I meet Father my age, still alive. We say nothing and confront each other. My nose glides closer to his, and everything blurs, as my breath vaporizes him and we merge. He always said, "You remind me so much of myself." I stand still on this. 5 Senses of Depression by Michael Klimes. I am the click-click of the kill squad, the cackle of hyenas, the clang of the church bell. I am the uppercut you do not see. I am 4 coffin corners that shuttle horizons. I bring bleach to blister nostrils, the inhale of gas, the reek of personal neglect. I curdle all the milk, put pepper on ice cream, pour salt into tea. I'm the back itch you cannot reach, the leg cramp you cannot stop, the migraine that never leaves. Learning the Argentinian Tango. The teachers instruct us to watch as they precisely place hand in hand and analyse how to properly stand before they launch. Follow the theory. Try to calculate where to land as the mind struggles, how not to lose balance. But you can only find melody in a score and begin to move forward by pushing against each other more. Feeling is what opens the door to spin from axis to axis, as logic cannot tango on the floor.